Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to this easy guide on sending crypto from your Binance account. In this video, I will explain how to send crypto on Binance, helping you navigate the process with confidence. We will cover everything from preparing your transfer to confirming your transaction, ensuring your digital assets reach their destination safely. This guide aims to make the process straightforward and secure for everyone. Before initiating any transfer, first log into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to your wallet and find the withdraw option. Here, you will select the exact cryptocurrency you wish to send, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. It is important to ensure your account has completed all required verification steps, as this is crucial for enabling withdrawals and adhering to platform security protocols. Now, let's execute the transfer. First, carefully paste the recipient's wallet address into the designated field. This address is unique to their wallet. Next, and this is critical, select the correct blockchain network. For example, if sending UST, choose between networks like TRC20 or ERC20, ensuring it matches the recipient's network to avoid losing funds. Finally, enter the amount you wish to send and review all details, including any associated fees. To finalize your transfer, you will need to complete any required security verifications, such as entering a two-factor authentication code. Take a moment to review the final transaction summary, double-checking the address, amount, and network, along with any displayed fees. Once confirmed, your crypto will be sent. You can then track the status of your withdrawal in your Binance transaction history, typically found in your wallet section, to ensure it reaches its destination.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.